Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Anna.
Hey,
I'm Alexa.
And I'm Kate. A. Purple.
Ayun sila, Bes.
Ayun. Tara. Hi. Ang ganda oh. Tignan, raise mo yung plug mo, raise.
May copy ka nun, Chan.
Wala. Hi. Subscribe to her channel. Put it there. Hi. Hi.
Collection every day.
Hi. Hi again.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Ngayon, naglalakad na po kami papuntang ULS. Hello.
So take this time. Our program will begin shortly. Kaya ang may pinakamaingay dito sa ULS!
Hi, this is Rain. Kunwari kita no? Shara. Raven. Ganon si Teo.
Now we hope you back into the groove.
When I compliment her, she won't
Right wing, left wing, and at the center. If you have any questions, feel free to apply.
Thank you, Bob. Everyone.
Guys, this is Shara. Wayne. Say hi.
Woo! Hello!
Ngayon ay uwian na namin. Guys, kasama ko ulit si Shara. Yes. Ngayon, pupunta muna kami 7-Eleven. Kasi may gagawin siya. Yeah. Guys, this is Thea. Shara, hi. Leslie, hi. Ngayon, nandito. Ginagawa natin dito, guys.
Ikot lahat.
Naghahanap din kami na pwede na, nagtitingin-tingin, I mean, anong ba mayroon dito sa ating orientation week. Hello. Ang binili ko lang. Dahil nanguhaw na ako. Napagod kami sa kakaikot kaya nauhaw na ako. Ito pa. Yan. Interested ako dito. Ako interesado ako dito. Yan. Gusto ko dito sumali. Baka Hi guys, nasa food store kami ni Thea. Kasama namin sila. Si Ruthie, ayan, si Alicia, si Colleen, there, si Lucille. Hi guys. Yeah. What is your section?
BTM 1.
What is your section?
BTM 1.
Ako din, BTM 1. Hi!
Nasali tayo lahat mga pare.
Ano guys? Guys!
Ay, hello!
Shane! Hello!
Isama mo si ano?
Siya si Kuli, si...
Huli ko na ba?
Si ano? Si Alicia, over there. Siya na yan. Guys,
Ngayon sabihin
ngayon,
niyan pag may hangin, may hangin.
yeah, this is Wayne. Anong ginagawa natin ngayon?
Nag-go hunting ng walang third eye.
Uy, grabe ka. Naglalakad lang kami. Nag-iikot-ikot lang sa campus. Hi. Nasa ULS kami ngayon. Ayan. Sobrang daming tao dito. Hi. Nandito na kami sa mga upuan namin for the program. This is Shara and this is Nestle. This is our day 3 of our orientation week. Guys, I mean to see you. Parehas kaming tourism ang kukunin. Yan. Inintay po namin si Chantel.
Of the mall. Restrooms are located at the back near the entrance of the venue. Please be mindful of your belongings. The area for lost and found items is
Life, the time has come where you'll get to know each of freshmen. From the Council of Student Organizations, I am Ray, and I am the organizational presentations begin.
the first to present is the University Student Government, along with the University Student Government Independent Constitutional Commissions consisting of the Internal Audit Service
Gaya pa.
and the
The Heraldo Filipino follow the stories of the Lasallians in and out of the campus. From
Kumusta ang biyahe? Napagal ka daw.
Hi. Chantel.
organizations
Hi guys.
Ako nakita ng pugano, talaga nagwawala ako guys. Sinasabi ko. Oy, may kotse. Sumali ka? Oo, dikit oh. Wait, wait, baka mag-production din ako.
Guys, Hi, Leslie, Chantal, Lucille.
Paano yan? Tapos narinig ko may
Since nasa August tayo, sige, I'll permit you to talk in Tagalog. Okay, since we need to use now yung wikang Filipino.
Highway. Shara. Ay. Wayne, Shara, lapit. Guys, nandito po kami. Thea. Yan. Si Shara. Si hi. Wayne. Nandito kami sa isang Japanese restaurant. Yeah.
Baby fry. Shrimp.
Thank you po. Wait. Guys, ngayon ay kakain na tayo. Ito ang aking pagkain. Yeah. First time ko lang kumain dito. What time daw tayo babalik? 1:50.
Diliman nga ako, cold one, lang yan, 30.
Guys, this is Angel. This is Alexa. Nasa classroom na po kami. Hi guys, I'm with Shara. Wayne.
Nakakapok po ako.
Ako din.
Okay, so nakapasok. So depende yan. Ladies at the back.
Hi guys, this is Lucille and Chantal. BTM 1-2. Oh. So hi guys, magpa 5 PM na at kakatapos lang namin doon sa Hotel Rafael and kasama si Wayne.
Hello.
Bukas babalik ulit kami kasi may kukunin kami doon. So ayun, mga afternoon kami babalik doon. So yun, uuwi na kami. Bye bye.
Ayan, dumidami na ang ating participants for...
Don't forget to register now at the back. Sa mga ating nagkakaroon.
Hi. Lucille. Thea, Shara. Alexa.
We request everyone to rise for the saying of the
Student leaders, we want the holistic students, not only student leaders academically good. If you're volunteer,
students taking cabin service operations, and this is also
winner kasi kayo ang pupunta sa especially for you. Especially for you. Let's start with Meg.
Sean Pero. Ayun.
Hi. Hi, Thea. Hi, Alexa. This is Shara. Yun si Wayne. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. Shara, Alex, saka si Thea. 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 Eto, Chante! see you. Leslie! Hi! Hi!
Tayo, mga Lasaliano!
We pray again. So our faith is what will always keep us safe, of course, in our stay here in DLSU.